morning, dear angels. Hope you all are doing well and you all are safe. We'll continue our class with Unit 19, Present and Past Continuous Tense. Let's start. Yesterday we have done Present Perfect Tense. Today we'll start Past Perfect Tense. We use past perfect tense for telling about the action that was completed before another action in the past. And to frame past perfect tense sentences, we'll use had plus past participle form of the verb. As example, the bus had already left when they reached the bus stop. I had just shut the door when the doorbell rang. They had just entered the home when it began to rain. We used had and past participle form, third form of the verb in the past perfect tense. And we'll use had with both singular as well as plural. He, she, it as well as I, we, you, they. We'll use only had plus past participle form of the verb, means third form of the verb. So, we'll start our exercise now. Third, fill in the blanks with the past perfect form of the verbs given in the brackets, and they have given us formula had plus third form of the verb, and they have given us verbs over here, and we have to fill our blanks with the help of these given verbs with third form of these given verbs, and we'll use had with them. One by one we'll do. First, she had done her work. Second, I had submitted my application. He had participated in the Commonwealth Games. We had read this chapter. The fireman had extinguished the fire. The coach had guided his team before the match. He had written the answers when the teacher called him. The program had not yet started when we arrived. Ninth, she had never eaten so many slices of pizza before. 10th, I knew the answers because I had solved the sums earlier. Now fourth one, change the tense of the following sentences as directed. We have to change the tense of the following sentences as given directions. So first, I watched the match on television. We have to convert it into present perfect. So with I we will use have and third form of the verb. I have watched the match on television. Second, he decorates the house with balloons and streamers, and we have to convert it into past perfect. So he had, we'll use had with third form of the verb. He had decorated the house with balloons and streamers. Third, he has gone for mountain climbing. Past perfect. As it is in present perfect, so we have to convert has into had for making it past. So our sentence will be, he had gone for mountain climbing. We are painting a portrait. Present perfect. So what we will do? We have painted a portrait. Fifth, she was checking the notebooks. Past perfect. So, she had checked the notebooks. Sixth, the train departed from the platform. Present perfect. We have to convert it into present perfect. So, the train has departed from the platform. Then seventh, the kids clean their classroom. Past perfect. The kids had cleaned their classroom. Eighth one, the principal awarded the winners. Present perfect. So it will be the principal has awarded the winners. Now you will do this work in your grammar book with neat and clean handwriting. But don't forget to write date. That's all for today. All of you do the given work in your grammar book with neat and clean handwriting. But don't forget to write date. See you in the next class. Till then, take very good care of yourself. Bye. Bye-bye.